Oh.
Now you're cold.
Where is it?
Right
Wait.
there.
It's walking along the edge.
So, like, thank you for the bread. See you later.
Oh, it's fun back.
Bye.
It's another one. Like it, that's the way, I like it.
Look, the bird's still getting like, oh, shit.
Hey, 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 get it, get it, get it.
Get the birdie. Get the birdie. What the fuck if my son done went into a mole?
Oh my God. Look down, look down, look down, look down, look down.
And guys, look at the guy. Jaden, look at the bird.
Don't start yelling. Don't start yelling like you're crazy, Jaden. Let him get comfortable, Meek. Let him get comfortable.
I think he's
'Cause
full.
he's comfortable. You're looking to see if you have more food.
Hairstyle look ugly. Man, I gotta better take mine. I need to be.
Go on. Yes. Yeah, he just flew right up here. Look at this parrot. He came earlier today. He was hanging around on the wall over there. And now he is right next to me. We've been feeding him bread all day. Look like he belongs to somebody. But for some reason, he's not with his owner. And now he is with me because now he flew upstairs. He was with my neighbor downstairs yesterday. I mean, not yesterday. He flew here today. Earlier, he was with my neighbor downstairs. And he ate off all her bread. And now he see me eating. And he come. Hola. Hola. I'm trying to figure out what he speak. I don't know no French. Konnichiwa. Oh, Lord. I don't know. But look at him. And he can eat. Just don't pick my eyes now. Look at this. Listen. What you doing? Mm-mm. Mm-mm. Oh my God. You would not believe that I just met this parrot a couple hours ago. The bird is on me. He's trying to eat me. Yep. Mm-hmm. He's I'm sure because he's just sleepy. I feel stiff. I'm not gonna move. Jaden. Jaden.
Watch it. Watch it.
Hello.
Watch it. Jaden, relax.
Ah!
Give it to me, Sleek.
Jaden, don't come. You're gonna fly away. Even though I don't want him to pick my ears and my face.
Mommy's trying to eat your.
Jaden, back up. Back up, Jaden. You gonna shit? Oh my God! I just know it. Do not poop on me. See, he telling you stay away.
Right now.
Babe, when you go into the store, can you drop off the clothes to the laundromat for me, please? I beg. I beg. Thank you. Some coins in my purse. Listen, I need to scratch my back.
You can move, just move.
Nope.
But he keep trying to bite you?
Yeah. He go for my ears. He went for my cheek, my neck.
You better not give her a hickey because I'll cook you.
Look, my freaking hand is cramping up now. Look at this. Oh my god. All right, boys, pick up y'all plates. I don't got no more food for him. We fed him bread and I just gave him some rice. But all day he's been eating bread. I don't know if he want the water. No, Jaden. Jaden Azari, no.
Yeah, you gotta get him in the house first. I think he was already domesticated.
He was. Hmm?
He might crawl on your finger.
Listen, then when he cramp up, what I'm gonna do? Mm-hmm. Let's see if he'll come down.
When he like it there.
Mm-hmm. Yes.
Why is he biting you?
He's not biting me right now.
Which clothes am I taking, babe?
What happened?
Which clothes am I taking? If you want him off your shoulder, all you have to do is get up and start walking.
I think it's a
He'll fly up. Get up and walk.
pink basket.
Get up and walk.
Nope.
Once you get up and move, he
Nope.
shouldn't want him off. He decided to jump up on her shoulder. Now she don't want to move. Get up. Once you start moving, he's gonna fly up.
You want to get him off, Brett?
I'm just gonna try to put him back on the ledge.
He ain't gonna go back.
Get up. All you have to do is stand up. Once he
I don't want him to fly away, babe.
Man, you put a whole bunch of food in your head. Talk to him, huh? You want to talk to him, be all friendly, make him more domesticated. Look at that. You got a new best friend. Someone to cuddle with while they're gone. Look at that.
No, I should have.
Mommy, where should I put these?
Don't poop on me, please. Do not poop on me. Sure, yes, say. Go ahead.
It was on your head. Mommy tried to take it off. No, he won't. He won't.
Hi, Charlie.
Now he's a pet. Now coming back. Now he's a pet, Mommy.
Mm-hmm.
Let's see if he's gonna come on. Not coming back. No.
Are you gonna freak out if he pitch on you? Are you gonna freak out?
They driving with a Burger King cup on their head on the car hood.
Uh-oh.
Mommy?
Mm-hmm. Ask Miss Meek if you want him back. Pick up the plate, Jaden. Go put it in the sink for me, please. Mm-hmm. I tell her I'm ready for her adoptive daughter to come back. Oh my God.
Mommy, can I juice?
Mm-hmm.
Can I have some juice?
Please don't go for my nipple. Now what? Meek, why say it look like he was coming for me? He put his foot down and climbed over that bar and then started walking towards me.
Where's that now?
It's on my shoulder still. Yes, sir. He's like, it's getting dark. I need to go home to somebody, so I'm gonna go home with you. You know, he's not used to being outside. Listen, I'll get him a towel.
No!
He keep going down trying to eat my clothes. Oh. God, he's back on me again.
Don't hurry up.
I try to come in the house, and because the kids are scared, and now Charlie. All that talk I had, and now I don't know what I'm gonna do with it because I don't know where to put it. All that talk I had, me, remember?
Yeah, now.
Oh my God.
It was all up on my head, and I gotta make sure it's in my head.
Girl, listen.
Go in the house, hurry up.
All right, Zay, I'm gonna come over there.
Go in the house.
Look, go in the house. You see, you don't listen. That's why y'all scared. Okay, close. Don't even-
Close the door. You gotta try to, you gotta do like I did in Brittany.
Mm-hmm.
I fed it off me, but it's gonna come right
Mommy,
back.
what about you?
Mommy, what about you? All right, let's see if you'll go back on the thing. Ah, Charlie. What you doing? I can't. Oh,
It was doing me all on my back.
come on, right here. Come on down. 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 Bird is back this morning, and he is excited to see me. He was wobbling his little weight.
Mommy, look, it loves you. If it like, I don't feel.
He was super excited. Oh, how does
Roblox begging because my phone.
Mr. Nasty here just poop on me? I was trying to get him down. He didn't want to come down and poop on me.
You saw football? Yeah, you saw a football go over there.
Every time I try to put him down, he switch on the other shoulder. Down,
Oh, kid.
down.
Where it pooped on you?
Charlie.
Jamal, where's the football? In the room. Ooh. It pooped on you?
Mm-hmm.
Jamal, you don't go. You get your booty back upstairs.
No.
Okay.
Stop.
Gina, what are you gonna do with that?
No. 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 Ah.
Jay, why are you trying to take a picture of him? I'm not. Take a picture of me. No. It pooped on. It pooped on mommy.
Stop it.
Can I do it, Jay? Don't even think about it.
Wait, why y'all out there?